A devoted mother teaches love, kindness, and resilience. She instills values of honesty, hard work, and empathy. Her lessons emphasize the importance of family, self respect, and perseverance through challenges. She guides with wisdom and supports unconditionally, nurturing growth and fostering a sense of security and self worth in her children. Friends, today we are going to learn something about devoted mother. Come and join me and loud out read the story. So let's get started, friends. The devoted mother. A mother duck and her little ducklings were on their way to a lake one day. The ducklings were very happy, following their mother and quackling along the way. All of a sudden, the mother duck saw a fox at a distance. She was frightened and shouted, "Children, hurry to lake! There's a fox!" The ducklings hurried towards the lake. The mother duck wondered what to do. Then she began to walk back and forth, dragging one wing on the ground. When the fox saw her, he became happy. He said to himself, "It seems she is hurt and can't fly. I can easily catch and eat her." He ran towards her. The mother duck ran, leading the fox away from the lake. The fox followed her. Now he would not be able to harm her ducklings. The mother duck looked towards her ducklings and saw they had reached the lake. She was relieved, so she stopped and took a deep breath. The fox thought that she was tired and he came closer. But the mother duck quickly spread her wings and rose off in the air. She landed in the middle of the lake and her ducklings swam to her. The fox stared in disbelief at the mother duck and her ducklings. The mother duck had tricked him cleverly. Now he could not reach them because they were in the middle of the lake. And so, friend, this is the end of this story. Now I have to say you goodbye. See you soon. Happy learning.